Ooh, god damn, these are nice. These are so comfortable, man. I can hardly hear anything. Let's give it a little bit of an adjustment. God damn, the ear cups are so soft. Oh my god, I could just hear myself kind of like echoing. That's sick. How do I look, guys? Let me know. But I think I look drippy, man. I look so drippy, bro. But have you seen a tech YouTuber that freaking gets a little bit like aroused over themselves on camera, bro, when they're doing a tech video, fam? Tell me, have you ever seen any? First and one in time, man. That's me, one in time, man. Okay, looks good. I like it, man. It feels, I can see myself doing some bench presses with these things on, doing some running and jogging and things, but on the bike as well. Woo, god damn, that's comfy, nice, and these cups are so soft as well. I'm gonna boot this up and see what's going on, man. Right, so guys, what's going on? I know I'm wearing exactly the same thing I wore in my last video, but I'm just in love with this Gymshark stuff. It just feels so freaking comfortable and so nice. Like, whoo, god damn. Look at that. Boom. And bruv, I'm so sorry. I'm just too comfortable in these clothes, okay? You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is iEman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, I decided to treat myself today. Decided to treat myself to a new pair of headphones because yeah, my Galaxy Airbuds 2, one of them stopped working and the other one works. I don't know why, but yeah, it just stopped working. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get one of these. Well, I'm gonna get something I can put over my head so I can feel the bass and hear everything. So yeah, I decided to pick one of these up. I really had my eyes on one of these for the longest time. I don't even know how long, but there's a guy that I always watch on YouTube called Mars Bar. His name's actually Alex. I don't know if you guys know the channel, but yeah, he actually bought one of these. He had the previous generation, and then he bought the newest generation, which is this one, and I've always had my eyes on it since then. It's just been so like, I really wanted that. I thought, you know what, it's my birthday coming up soon. I think it's in a week, the 7th of December, yeah. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna treat myself, you know. I'm gonna just treat myself a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just treat myself a little bit. So when I picked up the Sony by the way, first of all, Sony, this is a long name, too long name for a freaking headphone. Okay, so it's a Sony WH-1000XM4. What a long freaking name. But yeah, this is wireless, noise cancelling as well, which is absolutely awesome. When I actually went to buy these, I actually just tried them out real quick. Just put it on my ear, like the one they had on display, just put it on my ear real quick to see what's Wagwan. And yeah, it was insane. I was like, yeah, I'm taking it off real quick because I want to experience it and, you know, do a review for you guys on these. But yeah, it's, mate, absolutely awesome. I had a choice from the M3 or the M4. I put the M3 on. I was like, oh, okay. The noise cancelling is awesome. Then I put the M4s on. I was like, whoa, this is crazy, bro. So I was like, yeah, I already know what you're gonna be getting. The M4, that's what I got. Anyway, so this is made for iPhone or iPod, which is that. Come on, Sony, really? Why are you putting that there? You're making it sound like it's specifically made for freaking for iPhones and iPods and Apple product base. Actually, no, my bad. There is a Android logo next to it as well. I didn't see that. So it's made for Apple and Android as well. Yeah, like I said, noise cancellation as well, which is freaking awesome. Look at that. Nice box it comes in, 360 reality audio. It's got Google Assistant built in and it's got Alexa built in as well. I mean, yeah. You get 30-hour listening time. It's Bluetooth, wireless as well. What else do we have here? And one thing that drew me a little bit close to this headset is the fact that we've got touch touch controls on the actual side of the headphones, which is really nice. So you got your option there, you can either pause, play, or skip tracks, or fast forward tracks, or even stop the track, or pick up phone calls and whatever. And then it comes with a nice little case as well. And also there's one little touch that I really like about these headphones. It's got like a nice touch of rose gold around the accents of the headphone. So I'm gonna unbox and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, let's crack into this box and see what Sony has to offer. I didn't even need a knife. God damn, wow, the box is so nice to the touch, man. Really nice to the touch. I forgot to tell you guys, this is actually NFC enabled as well. So yeah, you can pretty much connect your phone, boom, onto it, and it'll just automatically connect like the Bluetooth or whatever. Yeah, 30-hour playback time and 38-hour playback time with the NFC off. 10 minutes charge will give you a 5-hour play time. It's got hands-free calling with HD voice as well. Again, that's when I say about the controls on the side, which is very nice. And obviously it's got the Google Assist function as well. USB-C, USB Type-C charging enable. Comes with a headphone cable as well, 3.5mm headphone cable as well, in case you don't want to go wireless and you want to go wired. And it's got a carrying case like I mentioned, and it's got a plug adapter as well. But yeah, yeah, let's get it. Oh wow, a box in the box. Bro, this box is definitely going on display, man. Definitely going on display. That is a nice looking box right there. God damn, look at that. That is a nice looking box. Right, so we're welcome to wow, so like I said, it comes in this nice, beautiful, soft, well, hard shell case to carry around and stuff. And then in here you have some paperwork, which we really do not care about. Yeah, we really don't care about any of this paperwork. Yeah. So it just, obviously, it just shows you how to install and all that stuff up there in the front, which is nice. But let's have a look and see. Oh my God. There we go. Yeah, like I said about the rose gold accent, like this, the zipper, got that nice rose gold accent on there, which I really like and enjoy. Look at that. Look at what you're walking with. Ooh, god damn. Look at that. The best thing about this is they feel like they're light as well, which is really nice. I mean, I would have expected them to be a little bit more, like, I don't know, a bit more, what can I say? A bit more like, more hefty. So it kind of, you know, just shows how much, it basically pretty much justifies the price of it, but unfortunately it's not. Anyway, so we got the headphones there, which looks absolutely awesome. Is it gonna focus? Come on, please focus. But yeah, that is the headset there. Oof, god damn, looking absolutely beautiful. And ooh, wow. Ooh, we got like a 3.5mm headphone cable, which almost looks like it's braided. It's got like a nice braided kind of look pattern to it, which looks absolutely awesome. And I like the fact that it's got that right angle on this piece there as well, which is really nice. Look at that. Whew. That's a nice looking cable. Look at that. You can see it looks like it's a little bit braided, but I'm not too sure. But that's a nice cable. And what else do we have in here? Ooh, wow, we got a nice little adapter for when you're traveling, because obviously on the planes, I've been on the planes, so for some reason you need 2 headphone jacks to go inside the plane to listen to music, which is a little bit weird. So they've added that in the box as well, so you can use the beautiful good quality that comes out of these headphones to actually listen to stuff from the plane or whatever you're watching on the plane or whatever. So yeah, that is there. Looks absolutely nice. Everything is just packed so nicely, man. I like it. Beautiful. Looks so freaking nice. And then we have the USB cable to charge these suckers up. So USB-C to normal USB over there, so you can charge them up if you need to. And yeah, that's pretty much all you got to get in the box, apart from a nice little carrying case, which is very nice. I'm gonna be using this quite a lot. But yeah guys, that's been the unboxing on the Sony WH-1000XM4. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button, and also hit that like button if you want me to do a review on these, because my first impressions on these are absolutely awesome in the shop where I bought it from. But yeah, if you want to see a review on this, comment down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment down below like I said. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. And also, just one more thing. Sorry that I'm wearing the same thing I was wearing in my last video, but come on, man. Can you blame me? I look so good in the freaking camera, bro. Look at the gains, bro. Come on. Can you hate me? Come on, man. Can you hate me? Come, bro. Bro. Shit. Bro, come on. If you want to see some gym videos, yeah, let me know down in the comment section below as well. I'll be sure to make some gym videos. So I'll show you guys how I'm getting this beautiful, like, you know, this beautiful definition and that, yeah. Anyway guys, bro, man's gonna stop blabbing on, yeah, you get me still, because if man keeps blabbing on, man's gonna be here all day, you get me, and you guys don't want to be watching me all day, you get me, you just want to watch me 10 minutes and that's it, get on with your day, you get me still. Anyway, yeah, man's gonna have to leave you guys alone for like, I'll see you guys in a bit, yeah. Peace, bomba clats, poos. Oh my god. If I finish that word, oh my days, this video will not be getting monetized, bro. If you guys know what I was gonna say, write it down in the comment section below, bro. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit, man. I'm going, bro. See you later.